Mustang coupe. All right, you probably don't care about this, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I'm going for French fries because I need French fries right now. I'm eating light, but there's a lot more people here than Thursday because it's the last day of the show. So you can see, that's a lot of people. Look, go ahead, photobomb. You gotta do it again. There, I got photobombed. All right, so you're asking what we should do?
Yeah.
Okay. I just met this woman, and she's 21 years old, okay? I just want to first say that because I thought she was 17. But this is like more like an Americana little clip right here because this gorgeous woman is from
Ukraine.
the Ukraine, and she's an American citizen. Good job.
Yeah.
Her dad is a construction company, and he left Russia and came to America 4 years ago and started all over again. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
So you're from good blood. It's gonna take, you know.
It was hard.
Yeah.
It was very hard, but in the beginning it was a big cultural shock. But for now, I'm okay.
Do you like America?
Yeah.
What do you like about America better than Russia? Your experience in Russia? I'm gonna bring it in because I'm worried about the volume. You gotta talk a little loud.
I really like people.
And look right there.
I really like people, and I really like that people are more kind than in Ukraine.
Oh, the Americans are more kind?
Yeah.
That's because you're pretty.
Well, I was the same in Ukraine, and I mean.
They weren't nice to you in the Ukraine?
They were not nice to me.
Do a lot of people in Ukraine look like you?
Yeah.
Well, that's what it is. You come to America, and now we're all like, whoa, check her out. I can only talk to her this way because she's 21. I would not talk to her this way if she was 17. So please don't judge me. But I just think it's cool. What is your name?
Anna.
Anna?
Yeah.
This is Anna, and she is an American citizen.
Yeah.
Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Eh?
It is, yeah. It is very nice.
God bless America.
God bless America.
And God bless beautiful women. All right, I'm walking past her. I know I did videos on it on Thursday, but I just had to come back and look at her again. Fastest production car for 2019 is that car. Gotta love it.